Hello, kindergartners, and welcome back to another episode of Mrs. Wolcott's Wild Backyard. And today, we're going to be talking about the water cycle. Did you hear some words you know? Water. Like water, we drink, and the word cycle. Oh, I know cycle. Like, I like to cycle to school, ride my bicycle. So, is a water cycle then a bicycle that goes on the water? A cycle for water? What do you think? No, you're right, it's not. So what could a water cycle be? Well, now last week we heard the word cycle and we weren't talking about water. We were talking about butterflies. Last week we talked about a life cycle. The life cycle of the butterfly. Starts with the little egg that hatches into the caterpillar that eats and eats and eats and turns into a pupa, which hatches and becomes the butterfly, who finds the special plant, milkweed for the monarchs, and lays the egg on the leaf, which hatches into a caterpillar, turns into a pupa, a butterfly, lays an egg. A cycle goes around and around, just like the wheel on my bike goes around and around. Yeah, around and around. Okay, so when we started learning about butterflies, we talked about the different stages, the different parts of the cycle. So today, we're going to start our cycle, and we're going to call ours the water cycle. And we're going to start with this. Yes, it's a cloud. Cloud. The water cycle is something that happens every day here on our planet Earth. And you can start anywhere in the circle. But today we're going to start learning about the clouds, the top of the cycle. And I'm going to show you today is a wonderful cloudy day. So look back here and you can see different colors of clouds. But clouds all have something in common. Clouds are full of teeny, teeny, tiny particles of water. So the clouds you see in the sky are actually made of teeny tiny particles of water. Not liquid water, but water that has gone into the air, and it's called a gas. So water in the air is a gas. So your job right now is to draw a cloud on your paper, and I want you to go outside your house, outside your apartment, and see if you can find a cloud in the sky. Now, when we talk about the water inside of the cloud, it is a gas. And tomorrow, we're going to find out what happens to that cloud and how the water droplets change. So, thanks for coming, and I look forward to seeing you on our next episode of Mrs. Wolcott's Wild Backyard.